Model with arrays. An array is a set of objects arranged in rows and columns. So down here you have these X's, you have rows going across and columns going up and down. Arrays can be used to represent multiplication and division sentences. So you have, this is the same array from the board before. You have your two rows, and in each row there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or 5 columns. 2 rows of 5. The multiplication sentence to represent this would be 2 times 5 equals 10. And the division sentence is where you take the whole amount, 10, and divide it amongst the number of rows, divided by 2, and you equal the number in each row. So 10 divided by 2 equals 5. Write a multiplication and division sentence for this array. So here's an array. You have 4 rows and 4 columns. Write a multiplication sentence and a division sentence. Pause the video, do it, hit play, and then check your work. To create a multiplication sentence, you first have to go and say there are 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. So it'll be 4 times. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. So it's 4 times 4 actually. And to figure out the product, we just have to count them all up, or we can count by 4s. 4, 8, 12, 16. So 4 times 4 equals 16. Now I just kind of flip this around, and I know there's 16 total. Divided by, you divide it by the number of rows, 4, equals, and it's going to equal the number of columns, 4. So if I split 16 into 4 rows, well, there's 4 in each group. So 16 divided by 4 equals 4. I can represent multiplication and division using arrays. You have 3 steps for this problem. There are 6 rows with 4 in each row. Step 1, draw the array. Step 2, write a multiplication sentence. Step 3, write a division sentence. Kind of like what we did on the slide before, except you have a different array to draw, and then your multiplication and division sentence.